Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Telegram without a phone number. So let's begin. First, access Telegram desktop or Android device. Okay, Telegram X. Set things up and then it will ask for your phone number. Since we're not going to use a phone number, like particularly any legit phone number, we're going to use instead what we call a virtual phone number. So you can look this up online, virtual phone number. It's going to be free versions and also most likely paid versions. So choose any what you want, then go back to your Telegram, enter the phone number, and make sure that the country and the zip code is correct. Okay, that's the most important part. After a while, you will receive a verification code. Enter that code to your Telegram account or Telegram. And yes, you're done. You have successfully created an account without a phone number. I hope you found this video very helpful.